You go through the virtual DJ interface, just appreciate what it offers. You open Google, search for virtual DJ. Visit the official link for virtual DJ. It's virtualdj.com. Now, virtual DJ offers two type of downloads. One is a paid version and the free download. For the paid, says Virtual DJ Pro, going for $19 per month, and Virtual DJ for Business, going for $99 per month. Each has its own package. You can check the details. There are also other add-ins you can buy along. The other version is the free download. So click on the download button. There are two versions, Windows and Mac OS. Download the version that's compatible with the operating system. Mine is Windows. And save in a location where you can differentiate. So wait for it to download, then install. Once the installation is complete, go to start button and click on virtual DJ or the shortcut on your desktop. Wait for it to load. It loads with the first pop-up screen for connect. Just ignore that, close. Now what you can see is a virtual DJ software having several components. One of them is the decks. That's the area in blue, having two decks, deck A and deck B. Deck A, that's deck B. Then there is the audio, video. There is a master where you can control each deck. Then we have the browser where you can load your music from. If you have saved on your computer, you can navigate to the folder where the music is. You can play music, you can download the music online by using the online music option. So you can navigate through your music folder or even the drives. You say you have external drives or your hard disk is partitioned, or you have several hard disks on your computer. You are connected to network. So you just navigate to where the music is. Once you click the folder with the music, it will load the music. And you have the search button. Now if you toggle the sidewalk, if you drag the sidewalk to your left, it opens the sample effects where you can add your DJ effects. This is where you'll be adding our DJ name and also a few other effects to play along with the music. So there are two ways of loading the music, either double click the music or drag and drop onto the deck. Double click or drag and drop. So on deck 1, you can drag and drop and change the music or double click. Then we have the controls where we can set our various controls for music. This tutorial will be using backspin, backstart, and loop out. So we set it backspin the first one, loop out, then back start. But you're free to set yours in any order. And you can also play with settings for each. So depending on the effects you want felt, you go through it in the next tutorial. So keep tuned. Then there is a small button that's for stop. Then queuing button, which you'll not be using in this tutorial for now. Then you have play we have the stop, we have play and pause button. We also have syncs. Those are two buttons you'll be using. That's play and pause, and also sync. Sync will affect our pitch based on the music that's currently playing. So if you click on the second, say decade is playing, and you click on second, then the pitch will be affected. Then we have the panels we'll be using. One of them is Scratch. So Scratch, Stem, then Audio Effects. So Audio Effects is where our effects are saved. Scratches, there are different scratches we'll be using. Based on the effect you want on the music, you can apply each at a time. Then Stem is where we'll be controlling our vocal, our bass, and instruments. Then we have our sample audio effects. This is where now we play our sound effects. Under settings, top right, we have the tutorials. We have audio settings. We also have interface where you can change look and feel. You have the mappings where you can map shortcuts for the keyboard. We'll not be using this for now. You have other options which you can change. You can unlock other features. That's a pro. Also add external turntable. You'll not be using that. Then you have extensions if you want to change the look and feel by installing external plugins, external extensions. Then if you want to broadcast, and also go online. Then we have remote. You can control virtual DJ using your Android. For this tutorial, we'll be concerned with the record. We'll be recording our favorites, our mixes, and selecting the various options depending on the output we'll be using, mostly MP4. Then click start record. It will wait until you start recording, playing the music. When you start playing to record, then you can stop. So basically that's a quick overview. In the next tutorial, we'll be looking more. In the next tutorial, we'll be working on each of the functions that we'll be using in this basic introduction. to make our mix. So stay tuned.